Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Magic Design and Canva. First, let's go to canva.com. On the left-hand side, click on Magic Studio, then scroll down and click on Magic Design. You'll see a Try Now button. Click it, and a search bar will appear. Enter your prompt. The AI will generate designs based on your prompt. You'll see various options, though some may not be perfect. Click on a template, then customize text, colors, and fonts to your liking. You can make it perfect for any celebration. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.